I won't let go.
Hello and welcome back to Rich Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing this new iPhone look phone from Wish.com, which I paid about £70 for. So that's the box. Obviously there's no Apple bit on there, but it says i12 Pro. 12 plus 512 gigabyte. So let's have a look at the watch. I went for the green because I thought that was quite nice and classy. But I'm not really into Apple at all. I don't like Apple watches. I can't get on with them. But that's nice. It does look nice. So I thought I'd go for one that looks like the Apple iPhone, but obviously is Android. Yeah, I do like that. That's a nice green cover. Got the quad cameras on the back with a flash. Yeah, I like the look of that. So let's see how good it is by switching this on. Got a protective screen which I'll keep on there at the moment, but it's quite nice. And then it's the camera that's really got to be good on this. So let's see. Scan in and see how crisp that is. Okay, so I'll take a couple of pictures. Let's see what quality it gives you. Quite a good quality picture. Yeah, the zoom wasn't overly brilliant on there, but I'd say the picture quality is quite nice and crisp. So maybe I'll do a close-up of the cactus, see what that comes up like. Okay, so the picture's looking quite nice on there, crisp, and the same with the cactus. So the camera's not too bad. Let's see what movie they've put on there. Okay, so out of what I've seen with this phone so far, it seems quite good. Let's see what else is in the box, what they supply. Okay, so you've got a UK adapter, which I don't really trust these because they never got any fuses in, so it's probably best to get rid of that. And then you've got your power lead, which are fine, USB, quite good. You've got some headphones. Unfortunately they're not wireless, so it's another one. And then you've got a screen protector, new one, and a rubber case, which is good. So that looks all quite nice. I do like this look of phone. Obviously it looks like the iPhone 12, I believe, but it doesn't cost you £1,000, and to be fair, it's not going to perform like a proper iPhone, is it? But for £66 or £80 delivered. It's quite good. It took about 2 weeks to come, so quite good shipping. But yeah, so come back for more reviews. I've got another phone to review as well next week, so come back for more, and thanks for watching.